Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Gather all ingredients and measure portions before you start cooking. Use 1 cup shredded cheese and 1/2 cup cooked chicken or vegetables for every 2 tortillas. Warm flour or corn tortillas for 10 to 15 seconds per side in a dry pan so they bend without cracking. Have 2 tablespoons butter or neutral oil ready. A 9-inch nonstick or cast iron pan works best. Prepare 1/4 cup salsa and butter one side of a tortilla with 1/2 tablespoon and place it buttered side down in a medium heat 9-inch pan. Add 1/2 cup cooked filling and 1/2 cup shredded cheese, keeping a 1-inch edge clear, then top with a second tortilla, buttered side up. Cook on medium heat for about 3 to 4 minutes per side until the outside is golden and the cheese melts. Press gently with a spatula to achieve even contact and faster melting during cooking. After cooking, transfer the quesadilla to a cutting board and let it rest 1 minute so the cheese sets and slices cleanly. Then cut into 6 wedges for a 9-inch tortilla. Plate with 1/4 cup salsa and 2 tablespoons sour cream per quesadilla, or offer guacamole at 2 tablespoons per serving for variation. To store, cool completely and place in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Reheat in a skillet 1 to 2 minutes per side for best texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.